Hello, my name is Kevin Limeister. I'm from Orville, Ohio. I teach 8th grade math at Norton City Schools, which is located in Norton, Ohio. Um, as far as goals go for this course, I'd like to use my degree in my classroom to make it a better area for just a blended learning classroom, I should say. This upcoming year, I'm getting a classroom set of Chromebooks, so my students will be one-to-one. So I'd really like to just take what I learn and apply it in my classroom with a one-to-one setting. Um, Another goal that I'm going to set here is to learn a lot from my colleagues. I think that's something that I figured out over the other couple courses that I've taken so far this summer is that you can learn a lot from your peers, and so that's one of my goals is to learn from my colleagues and also to help them out as well. Strengths, as far as strengths go, I would say Google Classroom is my big one. That's the one that I've used the most familiar with, and really other G Suite products that kind of go hand in hand with it. So I would say that my strengths would be G Suite. I also would say one of my strengths is trying to use new things in the classroom. One of my goals is to not become complacent with what I have and see if I can improve on things. So that's another one of my strengths is my willingness to incorporate new products. Weaknesses, I would say any tools outside of the G Suite. I've learned a lot about tools this summer so far, but I really haven't had a chance to use them in the classroom just because it's summer. So I wouldn't say I'm good at them. I'd still qualify them under as a weakness. So G Suite strength, anything else G Suite, probably considered a weakness at this point. Interest, as far as interest goes, one of the big things I like to do is I like to integrate technology in my classroom to help diversify my teaching. I think that my interests for this course would be to use what I learn and have it help me differentiate my instruction in the classroom. I think that's a big positive to using technology in a blending learning environment in the classroom. As far as goals going for this graduate program, I want to complete this program within the next year and a half and apply it to my classroom. And I'm also going to try my best to meet deadlines and improve on my APA formatting. That's one thing I've kind of struggled with so far, so I hope that that's something I continue to work on here. As far as the tip goes, I would say the biggest tip that I've found so far through my short time here at Fort Hays is to just follow the instructions. It's funny how as educators we expect our students to follow the instructions all the time, but then we are guilty of not doing it ourselves. So I would say pretty much anything I missed points on in the two courses I took last month were not following instructions. So that's my tip, and I'm looking forward to this class and hope we can learn a lot from each other.